Good afternoon, I'm Tina Marasigan for Pamilya on Guard. Due to the recent rains, Luisa was forced to wade through flood waters. This led to a worsening case of athlete's foot. How will Luisa deal with her problem? Angel Movido reports.
Couple Luisa and Jimmy Geraldo make a living together selling breakfast in their community. Luisa says they had trouble with their livelihood this past week due to the strong rains.
Nagtitinda nga kasi kami, hindi naman namin maiwanan yung paninda namin. Siyempre nakabantay kami kahit malakas ang ulan.
Her feet and that of her husband were soaked in flood waters all day. They eventually developed athlete's foot.
Kinabukasan na parang pumuputok-putok na siya, yung umano na yung laman, tapos masakit, makirot.
Their wounds took time to heal, and when it did, new wounds surfaced.
Tapos nung sinubukan ko nga yun, sinabi ni doktor, wala kayong pambiling gamot, subukan nyo yung suka daw. Tapos lagyan nyo ng asin, tapos yung maligamgam na tubig.
Experts say the couple may have failed to properly clean their feet.
Pag ginamit mo white soap, wala masyadong ingredients yung sabon kasi yung mga soap na puti or yung colorless, yun ang hindi matapang.
The couple hopes they will never have to deal with athlete's foot again. Luisa is now making sure that her children practice proper hygiene.
Sa bahay, pinaliligo ko. Magbanlaw kayo, magsabong kayo. Sabunin nyo mabuti yung katawan nyo kasi marumi ang tubig na yan para makaiwas kayo sa sakit.
Bago matulog, maliligo para malinis. Tapos yung paa, dapat niya binabrush pa yun yung mga kuko natin para matanggal yung mga germs dyan.
For Pamilya on Guard, Angel Movido.
Athlete's foot affects nearly 15% of the world's total population. One can also get athlete's foot by sharing shoes, socks, and slippers, or failing to properly clean one's feet. I am Tina Marasigan for Pamilya on Guard Protection 24/7.